3 years. I wasted 3 entire years following YouTube gurus who promised success. But today, I'm exposing the uncomfortable truth that nobody talks about. If you're struggling to grow on YouTube, this might be the most important video you'll ever watch. Back in 2021, I was exactly where you might be right now. Hungry for success, watching every guru video I could find, following their secret formulas religiously. High quality content? Check. Perfect SEO? Done. Fancy thumbnails? Made them. Daily uploads? You bet. But guess what? Nothing worked. And then, it hit me. Have you noticed how these gurus always have a new secret strategy every week? Yet they're all selling the same recycled information wrapped in different packaging. Here's the brutal truth. These so-called experts aren't making their money from YouTube success, they're profiting from your desperation to succeed. Think about it, if their free advice really worked, why would anyone buy their courses? But I'm not here to just complain. After years of trial and error, I've discovered what actually works, and I'm sharing it with you for free. Because trust me, you shouldn't have to waste years of your life figuring this out alone. Here are the 4 golden rules that changed everything for me. First, master the fundamentals. Forget the complex strategies. Focus on crafting compelling titles, engaging thumbnails, and most importantly, storytelling that keeps viewers watching. Second, stop chasing trends. The next big niche is a myth. Success comes from consistently creating content in a field you genuinely understand and care about. Third, here's a growth hack that's working incredibly well in 2025. Leverage familiar faces from your niche in your early content. This instantly builds credibility and dramatically increases your chances of getting discovered. Think about it, many of you clicked on this video because you saw familiar YouTubers in the thumbnail, right? Finally, and this is crucial, understand that YouTube rewards quality, not quantity. You might have noticed that some channels don't get the same success with many uploads as others do with fewer uploads. But how? You'll get the answer at the end of the video. Now look, I know how it feels to be stuck in the guru trap. But today, you have a choice. You can either keep following the endless cycle of guru advice, or you can start implementing these proven strategies that actually work. If this video helped you see YouTube success differently, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'll be sharing more unfiltered truths about growing on YouTube, minus the fluff and false promises. Remember, I'm not the villain, I expose the real villains. And before you go, want to know why some channels succeed with fewer uploads? Click the video on screen now to see Paddy Galloway's strategy. See you there. Bye.